The top 10 largest earthquakes in 2021. 1. M7.7 southeast of Loyalty Islands, New Caledonia Time (UTC), Wednesday 10 February 2021 13:20 hypocenter depth, 29.0 kilometers. 2. M7.1 near east coast of Honshu, Japan Time (UTC), Saturday 13 February 2021 14:07 hypocenter depth, 56.0 kilometers. 3. M7.0 South Shetland Islands, Antarctica Time (UTC), Saturday 23 January 2021 23:36 hypocenter depth, 10.0 kilometers. 4. M7.0 Talad Islands, Indonesia Time (UTC), Thursday 21 January 2021 12:23 hypocenter depth, 116.0 kilometers. 5. M6.7 Russia-Mongolia Border Region Time (UTC), Monday the 11th of January 2021 21:32 hypocenter depth, 10.0 kilometers. 6. M6.6 southeast of Easter Island 14 Time (UTC), Wednesday the 3rd of February 2021 5:23 hypocenter depth, 10.0 kilometers. 7. M6.5 southeast of Loyalty Islands, New Caledonia Time (UTC), Wednesday 10 February 2021 21:24 hypocenter depth, 10.0 kilometers. 8. M6.4 San Juan Province, Argentina Time (UTC), Tuesday 19 January 2021 2:46 hypocenter depth, 14.0 kilometers. 9. M6.3 Southern Sumatra, Indonesia Time (UTC), Wednesday 10 February 2021 12:52 hypocenter depth, 36.0 kilometers. 10. M6.3 near end coast of New Guinea, PNG, Papua New Guinea Time (UTC), Sunday 7 February 2021 5:45 hypocenter depth, 10.0 kilometers. Main data source: PHILVOLCS